Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Modern Warfare 3 error code 0x1. I will show you guys the three factor solution that will fix your problem. Definitely first open up the Xbox and go to the Call of Duty game, click on the three dot, click on the manage. Here go to the files you are seeing on the second, and here you will see the verify and repair option. Click on that, click on the yes. Once you click on the yes, now this built-in function will start repairing your Modern Warfare 3 file, so you just need to wait for it. Then you can simply restart your PC, restart your game, and see your problem is fixed or not. If not, guys, then you can go to the Windows setup at the device manager and open it. Here you will see your display adapter. Open it, you will see your graphic card, simply update it. If you have the NVIDIA or AMD graphic card, you can open up the NVIDIA software and update your graphic card. If you have the AMD graphic card, then you can open up the AMD software and update it. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can try updating your Windows. Go to the Windows setup, hit the update and simply open it. And guys, if your Windows is unupdated, so this will cause the problem like the error code 0x1. So you can simply update your Windows and after that just restart your PC and your problem is fixed definitely. And I hope guys one of these solutions work for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.